Hello viewers, I am Farheen Hina and welcome back to my new video. In today's video, I will tell you the difference between cell and range and how you can change the name of a module. And here we are on the previous video with what I have shared with you all. We are on the same page right now. And in the previously I have explained you about the range, how you can select the range, and now in today's video we are going to work on cell as well. So first, just a few recap. Let's see what macro coding I have put. Is it working properly or not? Let's start. Press F8. Again F8. It's in the VBA sheet only, so I think it will not make any difference. Then range C3 to C8, so it's selected. So this means that we have done the correct coding and this was done in the previous video. And let's start in today's video about the cell. So we are going to delete this sheet VBA. We can select, and instead of writing range we will write cells. Bracket open. Now they are saying by default row index or column index. First we have to write the row index, then comma, and then column index. Row index is like this 1 2 3 and column index is ABCD. So let's suppose I'll write over here 1 comma, and row index I write 2, bracket close, full stop, and I'll write over here select, enter. Let's see if it is working. Sheet VBA, cells, row 1 and column 2. So you can see on the Excel that it is showing 1 and the column is 2. Let's suppose if we want to write anything in this, so we will write active cell dot formula R1 C1 is equals to inverted commas open close, and in this inverted commas let's see, we'll write happy. If it is going to work out, let's check it out. Sheets VBA, cell 1, active cell is, and happy is written over there. So that means the work which we did is okay. Now let's see, let's take one more code, and you can write normally the code in different modules as well, but I will write the code in the same module. So again you are going to write sub. So we are going to write sub, and we are going to type the second name underscore VBA, bracket open, bracket close. And over here we are going to write sheets, bracket open, inverted commas open, and let's take a new sheet, that is CSS, inverted commas close, bracket close, full stop, select, enter. Active cells, active cell. Okay, we are going to write first the cells, bracket open, and let's say in CSS we can choose row 3 and column 4, bracket close, full stop, select, press enter. Active cell, full stop, formula R1 C1 is equals to inverted commas open close house. Now let's see if this is going to work out or not. Let's start from the beginning. F8, press F8. First VBA selected, sheets VBA, cell 1, row 1, column 2, and happy is written. Then move to the next one. Second VBA, sheet CSS, and we are on sheet CSS row 3 and column 4. So house is written over here. So that means this coding is working now. And suppose if we want this coding to give to a client, so we are not going to direct them that press this, then do F2, then press F8, then press F8, then press F8. So what we are going to do, simply we can add some buttons to it. Go in the insert tab, in the shape tab, select a shape like this and make two buttons accordingly, and then rename that by typing edit them by typing first VBA. So now how these buttons are going to work out, come on the first VBA, press right click and see on the third last option there is assign macro, click on it, and there are two coding we have done, so only two coding we can see over here. So just select the first one and press OK, and then do the same with the second one, assign macro, select second and press OK. So viewers, our buttons are ready, so let's see whether they are going to work out or not. Let's press first FVBA, so it's working, and let's do the second, this is also working. So now viewers, over here if I want to change the module 1 name and write something else what I want, so simply you are going to go in the view tab. In the view tab you will come in the properties window, or you can type F4 as well, or just click over here. So this is a module, a properties of module has opened. In this we are going to change the name of the module. Let's see, let's write first underscore VBA, and remember one thing, that you cannot give space in writing the name over here. So see, from module 1 it has changed to first VBA. So I hope viewers that this video was useful for you all. Please do let me know in the comment section and meet you in the next video.